Okay, so it's 4:55 a.m. and this is a pretty bright light. I'm just up and I'm going to meditate. So I've been meditating for probably about 20 years now, on and off. There's been times where I was meditating like 2 hours a day. And recently, when family life has got busy, I'm not meditating as much. So I'm going to do half hour this morning. I find it helps me calm down, focus better, and kind of feel more centered. So yeah, here we go. So I know I wasn't eating there, but that was food for the soul. So I did 30 minutes meditation and then did 5 minutes meta, it's called, sending out good vibes for the day. So it's a great day. So your meditation complete. Okay, all set. We got towel talks. We got tea for the beach. Now I'm meeting Dave and Dara, and we're going for a running meeting. Not gonna eat my brother or my other brother. What's happening, Dave?
We're going for a little run. So 6 to 7 running meeting. We'll be doing it for, I don't know, good year and a half. Friday morning, 10k run.
So instead of sitting around a board meeting, so Dara's the head of the company, he's the CEO. Dave doesn't have a title. I don't have a title either. But instead of sitting around a board meeting talking, we go for a Friday morning run. So next up, here we go.
Okay, run complete. We did about 8k, nice gentle pace so we could have good chats and run through the business and what's going on and catch up. And I think it's a nice metaphor because you're running the same direction together, so you're kind of side by side, so we always find it really, really helpful. Now we're heading down to the sea to go for a swim, but before that we're going into the sauna, so we're doing a bit of hot cold exposure. So the sauna typically is a little wood-fired sauna. I'll show you now, it's amazing. And there'll be about 10 of us in it, and it's about 75 to 100 degrees Celsius, so it's hot, like you sweat so much. Then you run down to the sea in between, and you literally feel drunk. It's so cool. So just out of the sauna and then the sea, and what a delish start to the day. Really, check that out for magic. So the first real bit of food for today is a cup of tea.
Why does your cup say Samuel, Steve?
We tend to reuse the cups. This is one from my son's birthday, so there we are. Here's to a good day. Cheers. Yeah, it was from Sam, little Sam.
There's Deedham and Mark having an old yak.
Welcome to Brekkie. So in Ireland, sometimes I think we eat so many potatoes, it's like we have potatoes in our blood, but we also love porridge too. So this is my son Theo. And we're making porridge for the family. So I'm making so we cook it, or I cook it, I shouldn't say we, cook it on half rice milk, or half oat milk and half water for a creamier porridge. And we'll all sit down as a family and have our porridge. Yeah. Okay, so porridge, we have porridge. I'm putting a little bit of ground flax through it. Also known as linseed, because it's good in omega-3 fatty acids and it adds more flavour and diversity in my diet. And next, possibly the best granola in the world, Stephen's granola. Yeah! I do eat my own granola. Which is your favourite granola? Dave's. Nah, wrong answer. Which is your favourite granola? Steve's. Your wrong answer. Steve's is much better. Okay, actually, no. You like Steve's? I love them too. There we go. Dollop about coconut yogurt and voila. Nice simple brekkie. I love porridge. So welcome to the bakery. There is the Lord of the bakery, the man himself, the great Danny baby. These are the ovens. I should show you this. There's doughs for tomorrow, and there's Yane mixing mother. So this is breads out of the oven for today. So you have a lovely malt, you have a black sesame, and then these are my favourite. So this is what I will have most mornings. I'll take a little bread roll out and listen to the crispiness for gorgeous. Oh, that's magnificent. So, I'll enjoy that while making the kids' lunches. I'm a total picker, so while I'm making the kids' lunches here, so May's having this is a sourdough roll with some of our own happily pear jam. This is a sugar-free jam that we make, really nice.
apple and some organic clementines, and I'll always eat the core of the apple as I'm going, and a little bit of sourdough. So. Oh, well, right.
Okay, brekkie done, or at least the first version of brekkie is finished. Now heading down to the studio, going to film some stuff for our app and film some YouTube vids. So this is launch week of our app, so it's been like a big week, kind of exciting, kind of challenging. And you know when you release something that you've been working on for so long and you're not sure how it's going to do, so there's been quite a bit of apprehensive and quite nervous. But today we're going down to shoot content. So the goal of the app anyway is, most people know what to do to be healthy, but they struggle to actually do it. So the whole goal of the app is to support people and help them to be healthier and happier. And it's like we've 11 courses with medical professionals, from like our Happy Gut course or our Good Health Revolution course to our Happy Shape course or the Bariatric GP to Happy Menopause course coming with the Senior Consultant Gynecologist to a Happy Hard-On course with a urologist. There's loads of different health courses in there. Then we've got recipes, we've got yoga, we've got breath work, and we've community, we've live events. So it's super cool, and we're really, really excited. And if I'm honest, a little bit nervous about it, because I don't know, you know, we put about 2 years work into this, and we really hope it's received as well as we believe it should be. But you never know when you put these things out in the world. So we're going down to the studio now to film. I'm filming a number of content, or a number of kind of vids for the app, recipe vids, and then I'm shooting 2 YouTube videos. So yeah, on down, that's a bit of fun. Welcome to the studio. There's the great Shawnee Cahill, the man behind YouTube. He'll probably edit this out, but maybe he won't. There's great Lucy, and there's Daisy. Look, Daisy is our beautiful supporter today. So we just cooked a Punjabi lobia, it's called. Really beautiful curry, so this with a pickle. So this is next up on our menu. Delicious. I'll probably only eat half a bowl, but it's very tasty. We're out. What time are we at? 11:30. 11:30, yeah, not bad, yeah. There you are, Indian feast for second brekkie. Part of YouTube cooking. The reality we're having, we shot an Indian feast, and the reality is we're sitting here, it serves four.
What's the bread?
It was an lamb bread. Really nice vegan lamb bread.
This is nice, yeah, yum.
Next up, we shot a 5-ingredient, 5-minute tiramisu, so I had to try lots of it while we were making it. So for third brekkie, our first lunch.
Casualty in the job.
Yeah, exactly, there you are.
Anyway.
And vegan cream is just magnificent. Look at that. It fits in the nose perfectly. Anyway, there you are. Okay, welcome to lunch. This is my son Ned. At the moment we're playing I Spy. I Spy with my big eye, and Ned's playing I Spy with my little eye.
With something orange.
With something coloured orange.
The van.
Can you see it? The
No.
van. No. Okay, anyway, lunch. So these are sprouts that we grow on our farm. As an Irish person, as I mentioned earlier, we have potatoes growing through our veins. Or at least we eat so many of them. So lunch.
And this is Orlag is Toma de Cain Gaelga.
Yeah, we're talking
We're
Irish.
talking Irish. Like Ira.
Gachína, Toma de Cain Gaelga. Le Gaela. So Kirk Le Gaela on the show.
I'm looking
So for those of you who
at
can't speak Irish, we speak Irish every Friday at 1 o'clock during lunch, and you're all welcome because it's a beautiful language.
Is that a formal invitation?
Absolutely, you're all invited.
Wonderful.
Come anytime.
I will go. Any final Gaelga words? Or
Slán.
Slán agus Spanish?
I was beg me again Malone dish.
I saw
Slán.
jets.
No
Two
way.
Jets.
No way, Ned.
Two jets flying beside each other.
I love Jack.
Class.
Okay, this is my son Ned's his little tomato farm. We grew these tomatoes from seed, and he's just picked the last of the red tomatoes, so as a post-lunch treat. So this is welcome to Friday night at the bar, a different sort of bar. So this is the bar here, so we're doing pull-ups and that. There's Joey and Jeremy and Harold. Great bit of fun. So there should be about 8 of us here, and we're all just going to help each other train social accountability and workout time. So tonight we're doing a supper club here in the Happy Pear, and tonight is Caribbean night. So I'll just show you the kitchen in here. So here's the kitchen, there's Arnie. Arnie's head chef and Una, they're running the show tonight. And for little appetizers, these are lovely. These are little sweet potatoes, kind of wheat potatoes cooked in maize with a kind of chili pickle. They're beautiful. I'll talk you through the menu. This is the menu tonight. So this is kind of like a deep fried quinoa pancake almost. And there's a chana curry going on. That's going on top. And then we have a mango salad, and there's tamarind going on top. So you'll see how it's being served there. This is a starter, which is pretty cool. So I'm having that starter, so the Trinidad and Tobago Double. Absolutely magnificent. Sorry, I put over my face here. We're all just eating here. This is the VIP room. This is all friends and family, so it's lovely.
Really, really nice.
This is bro, Mark. That was an absolutely beautiful place of food. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, no way, you're filming.
Yeah.
We've had that.
We're doing what I ate a day
great.
vlog.
That was really tasty.
This is our bro. He's a superstar DJ. Yeah. There you are. Anyway. Bye.
Feeling pretty exhausted after that, but she's got to eat great. The supper club is so good. We're doing it every 2 weeks, and the Happy Parents just explore different cuisines. So tonight was Caribbean. Previously we've done Middle Eastern, we've done Turkish, we've done Greek, we've done Korean, Japanese, Spanish. We've done some kind of traditional Irish kind of autumn farm produce. So there's been lots of amazing nights and such a great opportunity to explore plant-based food and explore the different culinary regions of the world. Thanks enough for watching this. If you do want to support us, please check out our app. We're so proud of it. Details down below. There is a 7 days free trial and it's available in the App Store and the Google Play Store. But yeah, thanks for watching this. Come visit us anytime. Come join us for a swim. And yeah, sending loads of love. Bye.